This next machine is a lateral raise. It's by Cybex. With this machine, this is an alternative to a dumbbell lateral raise, except it's in a machine form. And anytime I'm working a machine, it's definitely going to isolate a certain set of muscles. In this case, it is isolating the deltoids, mainly the medial head of the deltoid or the side of your shoulder. Now with this, I make my seat adjustment according to these. These are actually, they're not silver like the other machines, they're actually white, but these are the axis of rotation of the machines. So I'm going to try to mimic these with where I'm setting. So let's see, if I do a straight line all the way back, they are located right on. So when I am rotating up, I'm copying or staying with that same axis rotation of the machine. So once I select my weight, I want to establish posture by getting my chest up, grabbing the handles underneath. My top of my forearms are on the pad. Then from here, I'm going to raise to parallel to the ground. This keeps contraction, or the area of contraction stays right on my shoulders. Notice how at the bottom I'm not resting on my side. At the bottom, I'm keeping a small separation between my elbows and my side. What that does is that keeps constant tension on the exercise. At the top, I really am trying to contract at the top and lower under control. Contract and lower. Contract